A Microsoft Word document can be protected by applying a password. A password-protected Word document can be useful for To apply a password, go to the File tab and click Save As. More options. Specify the save location and file name. Expand Tools and select General Options. Specify the password to open the file. If needed, set a password to modify. Making the file read-only is optional. Click OK. Re-enter the passwords to open and modify. Finally, click Save to close the options. Now, when you open the protected file, it will always ask for the passwords to open and modify. To remove passwords, repeat the steps and manually delete the password keys. Important to note: passwords are case sensitive. You can't recover lost or forgotten passwords. Hackers can edit and remove passwords